If you got this bag, it's definitely some eye candy. It's definitely something special. It's from Veto Pro Pack. It's the TPXL. It's also got the zips on the side, so believe your belongings will be safe. Let's get to it. It's the loud pack, just remember that. So it looks the part, it's definitely got a lot of compartments in it. And when I pack it out, I will be asked a lot of questions and the price will be going up. As you can see, it's perfect if you're a service engineer, if you've got tools and you're on the go. This is the go and grab bag. Yeah, you heard it here first.